After watching this makeup tutorial, you guys would be able to do a simple makeup. I promise it is also beginners friendly. Hello beautiful people, if you are new here, my name is Ruby. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Please subscribe if you haven't already, hit the like button, leave down your comments and your questions, and also share with your friends. After shaping my sparse eyebrows, this is what it is looking like right now. I also did my brows off camera and I also concealed my eyelids. I'll leave down a link in the description box if you want to see how I do my brows. Moving on to my eyeshadow, I am going to apply this first eyeshadow all over my eyelids and then add some definition using this dark brown eyeshadow here. This is a simple makeup, so I will be doing a simple eyeshadow look. I will just be adding more of that first eyeshadow I used in the beginning. I try to keep my makeup under 15 minutes. So I apply only setting spray to prep my skin before applying my foundation. I also like to apply my foundation using a sponge because it gives my makeup a natural look. Moving on to concealer, I am only going to highlight under my eyes, and whatever is on my beauty sponge, I am going to use that to highlight my nose. Because I want to keep this makeup look as simple and natural as possible. For a simple makeup, I am only going to contour my nose, my forehead, and under my jawline. I am trying to go for a natural makeup look, so I don't want to do too much. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave down your questions and your comments, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. While blending my concealer, I always try to look up so I can really get under my eyes and blend in the concealer. Now, to set my concealer so that it doesn't crease throughout the day, I'll be using a fluffy brush to do this, and I'm going to tap this into my skin. And I am also going to be setting my contour and the rest of my face. Now I am going to add some color on my cheek. I am just going to be applying this pink blush. For my lips, I am going to line my lips. Line the top and the bottom part of my lip. apply mascara on my natural lashes, even though they are not there. I'm just going to apply mascara and that will be it. I am not going to apply any false lashes today, but definitely do what works for you or what you like to do. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter on my nose. When it comes to makeup, you just have to do what you are comfortable with. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, leave down your questions, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See ya.